scared that there's a monster underneath your bed?
There is?
Sorry, guys, this won't work. As you can clearly see, nothing scared, nothing scared, nothing scared. Scares me. Lightning and thunder, a roller coaster park, a spooky wookie ghost. Are you scared of the dark? I am not. There must be something here to make you hiccup free. Nothing scared, nothing scared, nothing scared. Scares. Wait, fear of slipping, fear of tripping, fear of plastic potted plant, fear of hopping, fear of mopping, fear of giant underpants. There it's scary, multiple. 0 out of 3, nothing scared, nothing scared, nothing gets scared me. Nothing gets scared me. Aww. The last thing on Bodhi's list is mismatched socks.